Alright, so we got a customer that brought in an iPad 12.9 inch, third generation, and they said they need a battery. This is too new of a device to have already gone through a battery. I mean, this is possible, but we're not getting a solid charge from this device. It'll show up charging. And there you go. It's no longer charging. And there you go. Charging and intermittent. It's not the cable. I have already replaced this cable twice. So I'm thinking charging port. This is probably going to be a charging port video. Let's see how much current this is pulling. I only have a USB connector here, so I'm gonna have to use this USB power supply tied to my meter so I can see what it's pulling. And I don't know if you can see that. There we go. That's pulling 1.33. That's good. Still charging. It's actually solid now. You know, the problem could be the power supply. This right here could be bad. Usually the cables go bad, but there's no telling. Apple doesn't include the power brick anymore with iPads and iPhones. They expect you to go out and buy one, or maybe already have one. I don't know. Yeah, but this is an old iPad power brick, 5-volt ones, and it's steady. Let's go back to the other. Again, I know it's not this cable because I've replaced it, and this is a good working cable that powers my 2017. Look at that. No power. That's the problem. It's the power supply. It's not a battery. It's not a charging port. It's the power supply. So that's fixed. You gotta check every angle before you can dig in and start taking batteries apart or charging ports apart. You check every angle. Alright, thank you guys.